Hello, I'm Professor Gibson. So today's topic is scientific notation. All right. And so the idea is we're going to end up with a number times 10 to a power. The power is going to be a whole number. It might be a negative whole number, it might be a positive whole number, but it's going to be a number of some kind, the b times 10 to a power. The other thing is we write this in such a way that the b, the whole number, is between 1 and 10. So let's have a look at what that means. So write 354.26 in scientific notation. So the first thing is to do what we need to do to move this to be between 1 and 10. So what we're going to have to do is move the decimal place 1, 2 to the left. Right? So we write it as 3.5426. See, the decimal place moved 2 to the left. So it's times 10. And then to balance out the 2 to the left, we put a 2 here. This now equals our original number because the 10 squared balances out, moving the decimal point to the left. Now, let's try one going the other way. Write 0.00056 in scientific notation. All right, so we have 4 zeros to the right of the decimal, and then right there, right where between the 5 and the 6. So we have to move that in order to get right that as a number. Right, 5.6 between 1 and 10, I had to move the decimal 5 to the right. So in other words, I made it 5 decimal places bigger. To cancel that out, I need to make it 5 decimal places smaller. So it's times 10 to the minus 5. All right, so the last thought for this one. You're going to get some questions where you're going to be asked to sort scientific notation numbers in order. All right, so this is going to be decreasing order. In other words, biggest first. So what you do is you just look for the biggest exponent. So here we have a -5, a -6, +3, a +4. Well, there's only the biggest exponent is the +4, so that'll be the biggest number. 3.2 times 10 to the 4th. Now, if you'll notice, these two are both times 10 to the 3rd, right? All right, so since the exponents are the same, we look for which just regular, the b part of the number is bigger, and that's the 9.213. So 9.213 times 10 to the 3rd is next. Then the third one is 5.8 times 10 to the 3rd, okay? All right, so 2 left. This one's the -5th, and this one's the -6th. Well, the next biggest is to the -5th, right? So 5.1 times 10 to the -5th. And then last of all, 8.33 times 10 to the -6th. All right, that's it. I hope you found that helpful.